Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Insightly CRM for managing pipelines and projects. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Insightly CRM. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, locate the Login button in the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the Login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password into the second field. If you wish to stay logged in, you can check the Remember Me box. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Login button. After a few moments, you will be taken to your Insightly dashboard. You will see an overview of your projects and pipelines. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. To manage pipelines, navigate to the Pipelines section on the left sidebar. Click on the Pipelines option to view your existing pipelines. You can add a new pipeline by clicking the New Pipeline button. Fill in the necessary details for your new pipeline. Click Save to create the pipeline. To manage projects, select the Projects section from the left sidebar. Click on the Projects option to see your current projects. To create a new project, click the New Project button. Enter the project name and relevant details in the provided fields. Click Save to add your new project. To edit an existing project, click on the project name. Make the necessary changes and click Save again. Always remember to log out securely when you finish. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Log Out from the drop-down menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.